beautiful thing which could happen is to live with uncertainty. When you start seeing it, you have no control over it. I hate to take myself seriously. I don't want to take myself seriously because you are here, you are there. You won't be there after 30 years, 40 years, 10 years, maybe 5 years. I won't be there.
You're also one of the few actors who are not vain enough to have lots of photos of themselves plastered on the walls of their homes. And you have like almost a disdain for dependence on adulation from other people.
Right. Uh, See, life is so transitory. To keep your photograph or to freeze something and depend on that, it's I find it very limiting. I would rather connect to the transitory nature of life and be okay with it. I'll give you an example. That when you grow in a society, society conditions you. Family conditions you. It gives you a belief system. It gives you some values. I realize that nothing works for you. And if you get away from those stories, those beliefs, you feel insecure. And I have realized that the most beautiful thing which could happen is to live with uncertainty, because it's not me who has chosen to 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 come into my mother's womb. It's not me who's consciously deciding that I'm giving order to my heart or my lung or my liver to function. It's not me who's giving order to my cells how they are behaving. So it's so much, what is it? What is this phenomena which is going on? It's beyond me. It's just, I have captured this me thing so seriously, and when you start seeing it, you have no control over it. Whatever control you have is that you have given a kind of, you can choose for sure, and that's where you can design your life, and that's it. Uh, but I hate to take myself seriously. I don't want to take myself seriously because you are here, you are there. You won't be there after 30 years, 40 years, 10 years, maybe 5 years. I won't be there. So what would remain? So I'm much more easier with myself after I have connected with this uncertainty, and to be easy with uncertainty. I don't know.
Okay.
Let things come. If there is a God, let him come. I would seek him. I would find him. And I'm not in a hurry.